Hi guys, I am Mehak and welcome back to Social Hathi's channel. So as we know, social media has evolved significantly since its inception in early 2000s. So let's welcome Shruti and discuss about the history and evolved how social media has evolved in recent days. So she'll be joining us. Hi Shruti, how are you?
Hi Mehak, I'm good. How are
I
you?
am good. So people might know you. So you have come earlier also, but introduce yourself first, क्योंकि maybe our new audience want to know you.
Totally, yes. So, hello everybody. I am Shruti Muddal, and I'm currently working as a digital media intern at Social Hathi. And today we'll be discussing on the topic history and revolution of social media. So, I think let's start with it then.
Yeah. So like the first question, what was the first social media platform that came, and like in what year? In which year?
Okay, so the very first social media platform was 6 Degrees, and it was launched in 1997 or 98, I guess. I'm not sure about the year, but yes. And it was made for people and users to create a profile, account, and use it for sharing content and connecting with your friends. So
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So like how did social media has evolved from its like early stage to the present days?
Okay. So, as I just told you, like social media, the very first platform was 6 Degrees, and then there was also MySpace and Friendster. So these were the very, like, in the early 2000s, these were launched, okay? And then later came on Facebook and LinkedIn. So I
Okay.
guess in 2006 or something, Facebook was launched. And yes, Facebook was the most, popular platform that, just went on so quickly. So,
Okay.
and then came your Instagram and Snapchat.
Okay.
So Instagram, first made for photos and videos. Like, you could only post your photos, videos, but now it's far more than that. And also Snapchat, the same.
Okay. So like what were the some technological advancement that enable the growth of social media? Pehle people didn't use social media much. So like what are that techniques and technological advancement ki people like all over world are using social media?
Right. I think the over the past of the time social media has grown so much is firstly because of the internet, okay? Like, the creation of internet is widespread adoption. And like, पहले लोगों के पास इतना नेटवर्क या इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं होता था, but now it is really available everywhere. So that is your very first thing. And like, the second thing is the devices. पहले लोगों के पास फोन भी नहीं होता था, हर एक के पास, but now every other person has a phone, every other small kid has a phone.
True.
So, like, from mobile phones to smartphones, tablets, and MacBooks, we've came a long way. So that's your another one thing. And then comes your data analysis, I'll say. Like, the large amount of data in real time, like, it allows social media platforms to deliver more content, more personalized content and advertising to your users.
Yeah.
And one more thing that is now trending is AI, that is artificial intelligence. Like, the use of AI algorithms, social media. it'll help you understand your customers more better. So yeah.
Yeah, true. So like AR and VR also, no, that has like
Yeah,
emerged a
and
very that,
augmented reality.
yeah. So like how like pehle people, of course, there were letters, there were everything. So like how social media has changed the way people interaction and communication over the years.
Okay, so there is an instant communication
Yeah.
of like social media has allowed instant communication between the people. Like you will just text one message and like the other person, if he or she is online, they'll get back to you. And like they are always one call away.
Yeah.
So then that is there. And like it has allowed people to stay connected with each other more easily. And then your connectivity, because everybody has now connections everywhere. So, and also your new communication channels, okay? So, like, they have introduced new communication channels such as messaging and video chat. So,
Mhm.
like, you can video call somebody from wherever you are.
Yeah.
So, that's one more thing. And then global reach, I'll say. Social media platforms have a very vast global reach, okay, which enables people to connect with your uh, other parts of the people from wherever they are. So yes,
So
that's
like
how people
आजकल तो interviews देना and searching for the companies has also like become very easy because LinkedIn is one of the app जो I guess हमें सिर्फ अपना resume डालना होता है and we get selected. तो मतलब door to door for like opportunities and वो भी बहुत ज्यादा कम हो गई है.
पहले ऐसे होता था ना कि आप इंटरव्यू के लिए तैयार होके भागा करते थे कि यार इस कंपनी हैव टू गिव दिस इंटरव्यू एंड देन यू हैव टू गो टू द नेक्स्ट कंपनी बट नाउ इट्स जस्ट बीन सो इजियर कि लिंक्डइन पे जस्ट यू विल हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन विद अ कंपनी और व्हाटएवर जॉब यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एंड देन लाइक वहीं पे दे आस्क यू योर क्वालिफिकेशंस योर रिज्यूम योर एवरीथिंग एंड देन हो गया बस यू आर सिलेक्ट इफ यू आर सिलेक्टेड यू आर सिलेक्टेड अदरवाइज नहीं
That's true. So like what are the new sorry.
कंटिन्यू
Yeah. So like what are the new features कि जो पहले like in 2000 जब start हुआ था and now what are the new features that has evolved in social media?
Okay, so I think 2000s ke around, firstly तो I'll say mobile phones only. कि mobile phones ka, we just had mobile phones and now we have smart devices. And the features have changed. The features are always changing, I'll say. Every month we have new features. Instagram has something new. Facebook has something new. So पहले we only had texting or like, you could just message each other. But फिर उसके बाद we had video call. And then like उसके बाद now what we are doing as a live session, this was not there पहले. ये option नहीं था. And then अभी reach का भी option आ चुका है. So even that is there. And yeah, I think there is also video and live streaming, which is very popular right now.
Yeah. So like what were the most popular platforms in early 2000 जब social media आया था and like how they have changed in recent years?
Okay. I'll say the popular websites and platforms were Facebook and Instagram for me because Facebook was the one platform that was like very quickly it just became so popular. Everybody was using Facebook. मतलब literally हर किसी के पास फेसबुक था तभी एंड बट आई थिंक वो अभी चला गया है क्योंकि आप किसी को भी पूछोगे फेसबुक के बारे में दिल से अरे नहीं यार वो तो पुराना हो गया वी डोंट यूज इट एनीमोर सो या फेसबुक में पहले a lot of people used to use it but now I think Instagram and Snapchat has taken over and also we're talking about
वो
Twitter.
young generation अभी भी old people of course our generation is more into Snapchat and Instagram. Facebook is like very reduced in our generation.
Yes, and I think Twitter is also trending right now because तभी भी था but तभी people didn't know how to exactly use it. Like था कि just join like just write something and tweet कर दो बस कुछ तो. But now actually discussing कुछ अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं या कुछ भी होता है तो दे विल ट्वीट अबाउट इट कि उनके ओपिनियंस या जो भी होते हैं. तो आई थिंक हाँ, ट्विटर है, इंस्टाग्राम है, फेसबुक है, एंड इवन लिंक्डइन इज ऑलवेज देयर.
Yeah. So, like, how business and other corporate sectors have evolved in social media?
ओके, बिजनेस एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का, business and organization, I think they have always now businesses का, I'll say कि अभी बीच में जो कोविड हुआ था उसके बाद से it has increased a lot because people have got to know the importance of social media presence, how important the presence of the social media is for them. तो फर्स्टली तो आई से सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग हो गया कि लाइक आपके प्रोडक्ट्स, आपके सर्विसेज जो भी है प्रमोट करने के लिए. एंड देन नाउ दैट इज ट्रेंडिंग इज इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग. तो
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक न्यू बिजनेस दैट हैज अडेप्टेड कि पहले ये नहीं था बट अभी ये भी एक है कि इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग में यू कोलैबोरेट योर बिजनेस विद इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, उनके साथ कोलैबोरेशंस में आप फिर कंटेंट बनाते हो आपके प्रोडक्ट्स के प्रमोशंस के लिए. So that is one thing. And then comes your crisis management, I'll say. So basically, crisis management is, allowing your business to respond to the negative feedbacks and आपका जो भी reputation होता है company का वो बताने के लिए. Like if somebody is just talking negative, you can't ignore that या कुछ ये नहीं कर सकते. You just have to talk with them कि okay fine, next time say you won't be having this problem. Or if you have vice versa, okay, if you have any positive comments, like thank you so much for your comments and everything. So yeah, there. And also customer engagement, wherein social media can provide your business with new channels, okay, for customer engagement, आपका brand awareness बढ़ाने के लिए, and feedbacks, inquiries, everything. So
Yeah.
yes.
So, like, what do you think are the potential future changes or development in social media?
Okay. The potential changes that I think are the cloud computing thing. I'll say firstly, the emergence of cloud computing is enabled, social media platforms to store large amounts of data. Like आपका photo हो गया, and like uh, it makes you possible to users to share photos and videos or like content कुछ भी होगा वो चीज. एंड देन फिर डेटा एनालिटिक्स होता है कि यू मेक श्योर कि लार्ज अमाउंट्स ऑफ डेटा जो है वो रियल टाइम में सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर्सनलाइज कंटेंट है, एडवर्टाइजिंग के लिए आपके यूजर्स यूज कर रहे हैं उस चीज को. एंड देन योर मोबाइल डिवाइसेस that have come a long way, as we already said that. And one more would be internet, I think.
Yeah.
internet जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा हो चुका है अभी.
And
And
we have 5G now.
yeah,
Just in few.
right,
Yeah.
exactly. So there's a lot of change, I think. Like 2000s का और अभी का अगर compare करते हैं तो there's a very very big difference.
Yeah. Like, पहले in earlier time जब हमें कुछ काम करना होता था, we needed human resource. हमें हर चीज के लिए human resource चाहिए होता था. But अभी अभी the most Indian topic is AI. तो फिर वो आने के बाद I think so कि हमें किसी चीज की help नहीं चाहिए. If I am running anything तो मुझे content AI से मिल सकता है. I can like ready my graphics there. So what do you think this evolvement will, what do you think will be better side of a humankind or in a negative way?
Okay, I think इस चीज के दोनों है, pros भी है and cons भी है. Because first thing, pros तो obviously कि yes आपका काम कम हो रहा है, आपको काम करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, AI आपका सब करके दे देगा. So like, and second thing भी वही है कि आपका कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है तो आपके पास कोई काम नहीं होगा. सारा काम करेगा.
Yeah.
तो but like obviously you have to use it very smartly.
Yeah.
Like पे फोकसली आपको यूज करना है, किस चीज पे नहीं करना है, that you have to decide. So yeah, but yeah,
So
artificial intelligence is booming right now, I'll say.
like as a digital marketer, what do you think? Is it good for you or like not?
For me, it's the best thing that has been invented, I'll say. Because everything, like anything you want, anything you want to post, you want a caption, you want a, you know, story ideas or anything, you just type it and you have it.
You
And
have.
will be ऐसे भी नहीं कि like you have to wait for it. Within 5 seconds, you will get everything, all the information. So yeah, it's the best, I think.
True. So thank you so much, Shruti, for today's session.
Thank
Hope
you so
we'll
much.
get to it, and we are glad to have you here again. So hope ki we'll meet soon and talk about another topic in our life.
Surely,
So thank
yes, I'll
yeah,
be waiting for the session
yeah.
for having me. And yes, I hope we'll have a chit chat soon.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.